Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating an account and enabling two-factor authentication so your funds stay secure. Once done, link your bank and confirm micro deposits. This authorizes transfers quickly. Next, complete the risk profile quiz to align investments with your timeline and goals and fund your initial deposit. Do this now to unlock portfolio options. It shortens the setup loop and lets the app recommend allocations tailored to your answers, so you don't guess which funds to pick. Now focus on constructing and customizing your portfolio. Review the app's recommended allocations and understand why each percentage fits your risk level. Then adjust allocation sliders to increase or reduce exposure. Set automatic rebalancing to keep target weights over time. Also enable dollar-cost averaging and schedule recurring contributions to smooth market timing risk. Explain choices aloud. Higher equities seek growth. More bonds, lower volatility. Finish by confirming your funding cleared and that any premium features or subscriptions are active. Set alerts for performance thresholds, deposit failures, and tax documents so you won't miss important changes. Monitor your dashboard weekly and use the app's analytics to spot drift versus targets. If something goes wrong, first reconnect your bank and check two-factor settings, then export recent app logs and contact support. This sequence resolves most issues quickly and helps you keep the plan running without surprise interruptions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.